cryptocurrency is one of the best and most exciting ways to make money online in this post-pandemic world. With energy and climate crises and global wars pushing up the cost of living, there has never been a better time to invest in these incredible markets. However, many people are put off from getting a share of the vast profits available because they don't understand what cryptocurrencies are and how they work. Maybe that's you. You understand that a lot of people are making big money from crypto, but you've also seen a lot of people losing big money as well. That volatility in the market can be scary, can't it? Especially when you don't know what you're dealing with. Well, not anymore. Welcome to Crypto Crackers. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and in this brand new entry-level course, I'm going to explain everything you could possibly need to know about what cryptocurrencies are and how they work, as well as giving you 3 different low-risk methods that you can get started with to make your first profits from crypto as soon as today. The easy-to-follow, over-the-shoulder video training avoids using jargon. We only use the terminology that's essential for understanding what crypto is, how to trade it, and how to make a profit. We are currently using these methods to make an average of 1% profit per day on our investments, better than anything available from any other form of investment anywhere in the world right now. You can see our latest income proof on the sales page below, but make sure you also read our full income disclaimer at the foot of the page as well. If you have always wanted to learn about cryptocurrencies but have been put off from investing, then this truly is the course for you. Or perhaps you've dabbled and failed and now want to learn some strategies that actually work. Getting started with Crypto Crackers is easy. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Crypto Crackers before the price goes up. If you come back later, you really will pay more. Step 2. Go through our simple to follow short videos to understand all the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies and trading. And step 3. Learn our 3 low risk methods and start making your first profits today. But don't delay. We can only offer this super low cost training at this price during the launch period. We could charge way more for this valuable information, so don't be disappointed when you have to pay much more. So, are you ready to finally discover the secrets of making money with crypto? If you are, then pick up a copy of Crypto Crackers today and I'll be waiting for you on the inside.